The day the world stopped. The year is 2026. The sirens didn't warn you. The silence did. You were in a grocery store when the first scream echoed. You saw a man rip out a cashier's throat. You didn't stay to help. You ran. You left your car. You left your phone. You left your old life. You hid in a basement for 3 days. Hunger eventually forced you out. You walked into a world that no longer belongs to the living. You reached a gate made of scrap metal and barbed wire. A man with a rifle looked at your trembling hands. "Work or starve," he said. You walked inside the sanctuary. That was the wrong turn. Level 1. The Scavenger. You are 19 years old. You are at the bottom of the food chain. You are a scavenger. Your weapon is a kitchen knife taped to a broomstick. Your armor is a denim jacket and duct tape around your forearms. Your job is simple. Enter the red zones. These are the cities where the dead are thickest. You look for canned beans. You look for batteries. You look for 9mm ammo. The sanctuary takes 90% of what you find. You keep the scraps. If you get bit, there is no doctor. There is only a bullet to your head. In this world, you are not a person. You are a disposable asset. Level 2. The Wall Guard. You survived 6 months as a scavenger. Most of your original group is gone. Now you have been promoted. You are a Wall Guard. You are given a rusted shotgun and 2 shells. You stand on a wooden platform for 12 hours a day. You watch the tree line. You listen for the shuffling of feet and the low guttural moans. The boredom is more dangerous than the dead. You spend your time counting the walkers that pass by. Sometimes you see someone you used to know, a teacher, a neighbor. You don't feel pity anymore. You only feel the weight of your trigger finger. The sanctuary pays you in credits. Enough for a warm bed and a bowl of soup that actually has meat in it. Level 3. The Runner. The leaders noticed you are fast. You are now a runner. You don't walk through the red zones, you sprint. You are part of a 3-man team. You move light. No armor, no heavy guns, just a crossbow and a backpack. Your mission: high-value targets, medical supplies from a locked hospital, fuel from a guarded depot. You learn to read the wind. You learn how to kill a walker without making a sound. You earn 500 credits a week. You buy a real combat knife. You buy a pair of boots that don't leak, but you also learn the truth. The sanctuary isn't just protecting people. They are hoarding everything while the world rots. Level 4. The Reclamation Soldier. The sanctuary is expanding. They need more space. You are now a Reclamation Soldier. You are given a tactical vest and an M4 carbine. You don't hide from the dead anymore. You hunt them. You move in a phalanx. Clear a block. Set up a fence. Repeat. You see the brutality of the system. If a survivor is found in the clear zone, they are given a choice: join the scavengers or get out. Most choose the scavengers. You realize you are building a kingdom of slaves, but you have a roof over your head. And in the apocalypse, morality is a luxury you can't afford. Level 5. The Plaza Enforcer. You are 22 now. You are a Plaza Enforcer. You don't fight the dead anymore. You fight the living. You maintain order inside the sanctuary. You stop thefts. You break up fights. You collect the security tax from the scavengers. You see the hunger in their eyes, the same hunger you had 3 years ago. You have to beat a man today for stealing a can of peaches. He has a 5-year-old daughter. You do it anyway, because if you don't follow orders, you become the one being beaten. You earn 2,000 credits a month. You have a private room. You have power, but you sleep with a pistol under your pillow. Level 6. The Outpost Commander. You are promoted to the frontier. You run an outpost 50 miles away from the sanctuary. You have 20 men under your command. You are responsible for the flow of resources. You manage the scavenger teams. You manage the runners. You deal with the Rips, the lawless gangs that roam the wasteland. A group of Rips attacked your supply line. You didn't just kill them. You hung their bodies from the gate as a warning. The world has made you cold. The dead don't scare you anymore. The man you see in the mirror scares you. You have everything you need to survive, but you have forgotten why you wanted to survive in the first place. Level 7. The Warlord's Right Hand. The sanctuary is now a city-state. The leader, the colonel, calls you to the inner circle. You are his right hand. You manage the entire military wing. You coordinate attacks on rival settlements. This isn't about survival anymore. This is about empire. You have 50,000 credits in the bank. You have servants. You have the best food and the best wine scavenged from the old world. But you are a ghost. You haven't felt a real emotion in years. You suspect the colonel is planning to replace you. You suspect your lieutenants are planning a coup. Trust is the first thing that died in 2026. Survival has become a game of chess. Level 8. The fallen idol. The coup happened. It wasn't the dead that got you. It was the man you shared a meal with last night. The sanctuary fell during a massive horde attack. While the dead broke through the gates, your men broke into your room. You fought your way out. You killed 3 of your own soldiers. You jumped the wall and ran into the forest. You have no armor. You have 1 pistol with 3 rounds. You are back at the bottom, but it's worse this time, because you know what it's like to be a king, and the wasteland doesn't care about your past titles. Level 9. The lonely wanderer. You are 30 years old. You look 60. Your hair is gray. Your body is covered in scars. You live in a shack in the mountains. You don't join groups anymore. Groups mean rules. Rules mean betrayal. You hunt squirrels. You drink rainwater. You see a smoke signal in the distance. Another sanctuary is rising. Another wrong turn is waiting for someone else. You check your pistol. 1 round left. You save it for yourself, because you know how this story ends. The dead will eventually win. They don't get tired. They don't feel betrayal. They are the only ones who are truly free.